happening, family? Rich Wall Street Williams here. I want to show you how I use my three-step process to set an appointment to look at it for sale by owner. So I went through Zillow.com. I found some random properties on Zillow, and I'm going to reach out to the sellers. I'm going to do my three-step process. Number one, I'm calling about the house on 123 Indian Street. Is it available? Number two, I'm going to set the appointment. How soon can I see it? And then I'm going to say, by the way, I'm going to let them know that you have to introduce yourself as a licensed professional. You can't hide that fact. And then I'm gonna get right into confirming that appointment. So let's, here we go. Hopefully it goes good. Let's take it. Hopefully you can hear the audio pretty good on this call. Here's my disclaimer. I may get cussed out. I don't know. I love it. Let's go. This is for.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, this is Rich. I'm calling about a house that I saw that was for sale by owner on Selfridge.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Speak with the owner, please.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Hey, just a quick question. Is it still available?
Yes, the house is still available. We're gonna have an open house tomorrow.
Okay.
Between 1 to 4 p.m.
Okay. Is that the soonest that I can see it?
Yes, I mean, you can see it tomorrow or after if you make an appointment. I have a combo lock.
Okay.
On the door. Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. And by the way, I work with a team of realtors. If I brought you a qualified buyer, are you willing to cooperate with a broker?
Oh yes. If you see in the remarks, I put a note there that we're gonna pay 2.5%.
2.5%. Okay, awesome. All right, so I'll stop past tomorrow, take a look at, and I apologize. Your name?
Hey, I go by Bill, but my name is Virgilio, but my name is Bill.
Okay, all right, Bill. Hey, my name is Rich, so I look forward to chatting with you, Bill. Thanks.
All right. Okay, good. Excellent.
All right.
Thank you for the call.
Sure. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was call number one. Spoke to Bill. Set that appointment. Now he's already doing an open house, and I get it, but I still set the appointment. Hey, Bill, this is Rich, and he's willing to pay a commission. So think about this. As an agent, I go past, I take a look at it. He's already willing to pay a commission, 2.5%. Not bad to bring a buyer. I'm telling you, there's money left on the table when we're not reaching out to for sale by owners as a realtor. Whether you're new in the business or you're just getting started, I am telling you, for sale by owners and expired listings, they're motivated sellers. You want to focus on what. Yeah, so the call with Bill went so well, I decided to make another phone call. So this is a second phone call. And again, this is a phone number that I got, went to Zillow, went to the for sale by owner section, got the seller contact information, and let's see how it goes.
Hello.
Yes, hi, this is Rich. I'm calling about a house that a unit I saw for sale in Gaithersburg. Is it still available?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay, great. Are you the owner?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. How soon can I see it?
It's listed. Do you have an agent?
I do not. Do you have it listed with an agent?
It's in the MLS.
Oh, okay, because on Zillow, it had it as for sale by owner.
Yeah, that was an old ad.
That was an old ad. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll check and get that information. I appreciate it. Thanks. Didn't go as well. It was an old ad on Zillow, which is why Zillow has a 26 to 33% error rate, but that's a different conversation. But I want to do another call. Okay, getting ready for the third call. First call was to Bill. Second call was to a guy that had it for sale by owner, and he decided to list with an agent. I'm telling you, you work for sale by owners, you're going to get listings. But let's try this call. This is the third one that I got from Zillow. Let's see how it goes. I love calling for sale by owners. I'm telling you, money's left on the table when you don't work the for sale by owner market. may get the voicemail on this one.
The Text Now subscriber you were trying to reach is not available. Please leave your message after the tone.
Yes, hi, this is Rich. I'm calling about the house that's for sale on Brazzy Way. Just curious if it's still available. You can reach me today at 240-206-1218. Thank you. Got a voicemail. Usually I get a return phone call. Why? Because the seller's motivated. The seller thinks I am a buyer, so they're going to call me back. I'm going to go through the same process. I'm calling about the house on Brazzy Way. Is it available? Yes. How soon can I see it? By the way, I work with a team of realtors. If I brought you a qualified buyer, are you willing to pay a commission? Are you willing to cooperate with the brokers? Is what I typically say. If they say yes or no, it doesn't matter. I still continue on having a conversation about the property and setting that appointment. I'm telling you, I've done this approach over and over again. 85% success rate. In January, I'm setting up a webinar on how to list and sell for sale by owners. There's other marketing things that I do, but that's in January. So if you're interested in attending that webinar, just read the caption below or drop me a message, DM me, and I'll make sure you get the link. Let's get this. 2024. There's more. 2024. Let's get it.